Hello everyone, we are going to learn about what do I need to buy, reading and project from the book Super Goal. Let's start with listening and answer some questions about what we heard.
Foods from the Americas. Read about the foods from the Americas. Then try out the recipes.
Tomatoes. Tomatoes are native to Mexico and Central America, and the Aztecs grew them back in the 8th century. In the 16th century, Spanish explorers introduced tomatoes to Spain, and the tomatoes' popularity spread quickly through Europe. The French, Germans, and Italians absolutely loved them, but the British thought they were poisonous at first. In the 19th century, a British diplomat introduced tomatoes to the Middle East, and now Egypt and Turkey are among the world's top tomato producers.
Avocado. The Aztecs also cultivated the avocado. They called it aguact. The avocado is an oily fruit rich in vitamins A, B, and C. The fruit does not get ripe on the tree. People need to pick it from the tree before it develops its flavor and full maturity. Sailors used to call avocados seaman's butter because the fruit lasts for a long time and it was good for sea voyages.
Chocolate. Chocolate, chocolatl in the Aztec language, was the treasured drink of the Aztecs. When the Spaniard Hernán Cortés arrived in Mexico in 1519, the Aztecs gave him chocolate as part of a royal welcome. It is said that the Aztec Emperor Moctezuma used to drink 50 cups of chocolate a day out of a gold cup. The Spanish introduced chocolate to Europe. However, it was only in the 19th century that Henri Nestlé in Switzerland created the first bar of chocolate. Nowadays, very few people can resist the sweet food, once only for kings.
So we learned about tomatoes, avocado, and chocolate. Now I want you to answer true or false. The Spanish introduced tomatoes to Europe. Of course, it's true. Tomatoes are not growing in the Middle East. No, that's false because we have it. Early sailors used avocados because they tasted like butter. No, it's false. Moctezuma sent the king of Spain a gold cup of drink to drink chocolate from it. It's false. The first chocolate bars date from the 20th century. It's false. And the main ingredient of guacamole was avocado. It's exactly true. Now, answer the questions below. What is the homeland of tomato? Of course, it's Mexico and Central America. What are the other names of avocado? Alcat and Siemens butter. And who introduced chocolate to Europe? Of course, they are the Spain. Now, example of recipe steps. Let's listen to the recipe and let's answer some questions.
Pasta with tomato sauce. Ingredients: 5 cloves garlic, 3 cups of chopped tomatoes, 5 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, fresh basil to taste, 1 package pasta. Directions: Pasta. Cook separately according to package directions. Sauce. First, chop the garlic into tiny pieces. Then put the tomatoes, olive oil, and garlic in a saucepan with salt and pepper and cook on moderate to low heat for 20 minutes. After the sauce is thick, remove the pan from the heat. Tear fresh basil into pieces and add it to the sauce. Pour the sauce over the pasta.
So, this is how do you make a pasta with a tomato sauce. Now, if I ask you to plan a meal with foods from different countries, of course, you're going to start with appetizers, main dishes, then dessert like fattoush salad, steak, and brownie. So this is the dessert, or you can change wherever you want, just planning a meal. So for what we learned today, we learned about food, recipe steps, plan a meal, tomato, its homeland, and information about it. And of course, we learned about the avocado and other names of it. Thank you for listening.